Austin Mayfield here. Hope you're doing great today. So you want to start an e-commerce business, but you don't have any money to get started. Okay, I got the solution for you, 100% for free. Okay, I started No Limit Products NLP back in 2015. Okay, we're pretty established at this point. No Limit Products is a multi-vendor marketplace where vendors pay a small monthly fee to sell their products. They have their own website, own theme, own store, all that good stuff, much like a Shopify store, okay? We will give you your first month for free, okay? I or my team will personally help you find products to sell with good margins, okay? If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I provide great free valuable content every single day, okay? First month free. On top of that, we have a second way for you to generate income before you start having to pay your monthly fee as a vendor. 50% residual commission affiliate program. What does that mean? This is 100% free to join as well, okay? Comes with free training. 50% residual commission affiliate program. That means for every vendor that you refer, vendors are the people that sell their products on NLP. They pay the monthly fee after their first month, either $25 or $50 a month. So if you have refer 2 people, two vendors to sell their products. You say, hey man, hey girl, NLP is a great place to start your e-commerce business, sell your products or whatever. 2 of them sign up for the gold seller account. $25 per month, or excuse me, $50 per month is yours. So what does that mean? You get that same $50 a month off of those 2 vendors every single month for the lifetime of the vendors. So what does that mean for you? That means you won't ever have to pay a monthly fee. Yours is free. It's that simple. Now, if you really want to get into doing the math and making money with the affiliate program, 100 times 25 is $2,500 per month. Every month, okay? This can be a full-time income for you or an ultimate side hustle. So check it out. I've got links in the description below. Let me know of any comments or questions in the comment section below. All the links are there. I've got a Crush It Online course I came out with a while ago now. Teach you everything you need to know as far as marketing, follow-up, closing, e-commerce, you name it. About 2 hours worth of video content. We do a giveaway, 2 giveaways every single week. One, you can, if you subscribe to the channel, give one of my videos a thumbs up and comment below